Boys.
Here you go, down.
So the song is playing.
Boys, face front, and do 3 sets, just facing the front. Up, down. Stop. 3 sets facing the audience. Facing the audience. 3 sets facing the audience, okay? Yeah, 3 sets facing the audience. High, low, high, low.
So we don't face each other.
No, you face front. Okay, 3 sets facing front, and then the break, tap. After the 3rd set, and just then go off stage, okay? You move with the girls, so you get all the corners, then we'll get the girls on the table back in, okay? So you dance one front, and you turn, side, back, side, front.
Okay.
Okay, from the front.